Hello and welcome to the lily collection and to the garden. Let's dig in. Today even more trumpets have opened their flowers, so I'm going to show you. And my first OT started to open. Well, it's not my cultivar, it's called Erfordia and it has 24 buds on a stem, so it's quite a nice big one. So as you can see, a lot of buds on one stem. I hope you can see. And this one is Slovak Sapphire. It has a beautiful dark outer bud. It's going to open today. And unfortunately, the biggest stem of Eastermorn has been broken by the wind. So, yep. Part of life, bad things happen. And lovely flowers of Amethyst Temple, so I'm going to make crosses because it's a seed strain. And Golden Splendor is open. You can see how nice brownish purplish outer tepals they have. And African Queen is open also. And the lovely white planet and the orange planet and the yellow planet is open, and Pink Perfection is also open. Still a lot of Asiatics are flowering with lovely colors. Oh, my sister would love this one. It's a lovely soft pink and yellow. And Buzzin and Fuenta and Tiger Babies and Red Life and this is, I think, Beijing Moon or Rising Moon. Oh, and another OT opened. Look at this, it has bigger flowers than Erfordia, and I have to check the name, which is Alexandra. It's a lovely name. I have a colleague called Alexandra, and this plant has tertiary buds, so primary, secondary and tertiary buds. This is a beautiful plant also. And let's see, some of my seedlings have opened. And this one is very nice. It's a triploid. This one is a tetraploid trumpet. This one also, but they have very weak stems, so I'm not going to register them. This is also a nice tetraploid, very nice tetraploid. This yellow is beautiful, strong colors, also tetraploid. And this is a Henry type, and it has primary, secondary and tertiary buds. And look at this, the fasciated trumpet has tons of buds, so lovely. And I also have to give them a lot of water. This is Piton, and I'm going to apply beneficial nematodes which kill insects in the soil, because I've noticed there are too many of them. And this one is Passion Moon. We have swallows, and when they see a cat they do these sounds and weird flight to scare the cat away. So Passion Moon. It's supposed to be a tetraploid, and this one is triploid Rising Moon. So that was Beijing Moon then. And some other ones. This one is Saltarello. It has some kind of virus in the leaves. And still the TAs are going nicely. and soon I'm going to have my normal sized, oh dear, another stem broke. So we had a big storm with a lot of rain. Fortunately there was no hail in the wind, in the storm. So this one is yellowing and it has this lovely greenish hue when the flower opens. And of course you can see leaf burn, sunburn. This one is Zidra, and this one is sold as Leichtlini, but it's in reality King David. And Little Kiss, oh, it's my favorite, Belvedere. Some nice OTs. This one has virus, of course, because every OT has virus. This one is Forever, and this one should be Lasting Love. Yellow Planet, at least it was sold as Yellow Planet. And I have some really unhappy oh my gosh, it's wet, the soil is wet, all the bulbs are rotted here. So this is Tintoretto. I mean, it's not bad, but this is another lovely plant from the Baltics. Beautiful flowers, all from the Baltics. Oh, look at this, lovely. And this is Palazzo with virus, because it always has virus in Hungary. This cultivar also has virus. And I just really cannot go through, because the stems are all on the ground, a lot of breakage, and that's not good. That is really not good. So this one should be Miss Peculiar, I believe, because it has these huge buds. And this one is OT Zambezi. And you can see virus symptoms and leaf burn. Oh, this one is lovely. It doesn't have a name, so I shall give it one. And Viva la Vida, Prime Ice. This is my cultivar, Pistachio, because it has pistachio green flowers. Avalon Sunset, some virus infected LA hybrid, and some Canna, and this one was supposed to be Miss Peculiar, and it had a 27 centimeter wide flower, so it's almost a foot wide. And some Fusarium in the research plots. And this one is Varese. It's an LO hybrid, and you can see that it has virus because the pink is just on the surface. Orange Canna, dwarf orange Canna. And soon I'm going to have these wonderful lilies opening. Orientals, Josephine, I believe. At least it was sold as Josephine. Virus. And my seedlings need also some good irrigation. So there's lots to do. Lots and lots to do. Pistachio. Lovely. So, thank you for your attention, and I hope I see you in the garden in our next video. Bye bye. Happy gardening.